Hey everyone, welcome back to Visnova. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a complete 12-month financial forecast in Excel for an electrical supplier with the help of ChatGPT. Yes, AI can now help you build full financial models. Just in case you're wondering how to do this for your own business, here's the exact prompt I used in ChatGPT. Help me create a 12-month Excel financial forecast for an electrical supplier. Include product pricing and cost assumptions, monthly growth rate, fixed monthly expenses, sales forecast per product, P&L, KPIs, and dashboard. I started with this simple prompt in ChatGPT. It gave me a structured layout, assumptions, forecast logic, formulas, and even visuals. Let me show you what the model looks like, and then we'll break it down sheet by sheet. First up, the assumptions sheet. This is where we define our business inputs. Product names, wiring kit, switchbox, LED panel, price per unit, variable cost per unit, starting monthly sales, monthly growth rate, tax rate, fixed monthly operating expenses. All you have to do is update these values to fit your business, and everything else updates automatically. Next, the sales forecast. For each product, we track monthly. Units sold. Revenue equals units times price. COGS equals units times cost. These are calculated using growth rates from our assumption sheet. Formula spotlight equals B2 asterisk 1 plus assumptions, B4, monthly growth for units, equals B3 asterisk assumptions, B2 revenue, equals B3 asterisk assumptions, B3 COGS. This sheet alone helps you visualize how your sales are projected to grow month by month. I used VLOOKUP formula for auto calculations. The P&L statement rolls up all product data into a proper monthly profit and loss layout. We calculate total revenue, COGS, gross profit, operating expenses, EBITDA, taxes, net profit, With just a few formulas and structured logic, this sheet gives you a monthly and yearly snapshot of your business performance, ready for presentation or decision-making. If you found this useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone building a business. If you want this template, please comment, like, and share. I will provide link in description letter. Drop a comment if you want a version tailored to your business, and I'll see you in the next one.